Hi everyone, Miss Nina here. If you enjoy doing crafts with recyclable items in your home, we're gonna make a toilet paper roll bird feeder. So I'm gonna start introducing what materials we'll need, and I'm also gonna use other things as well, so you'll see them in the video. So first you'll need one toilet paper roll, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I put it in a cup. You'll ask an adult or grown-up nearby if you can use a plastic knife to smear it on. 1/4 cup of birdseed, which I have in here. And then you could use any length of yarn or string or ribbon, or pipe cleaners are also fun to use. So I have pipe cleaners, I have some rope, and then I have some ribbon. And here is my paper plate I'm going to be using. So here's the paper towel roll. You can use the hole puncher and you can make holes in it on each end. If you'd like to use the pipe cleaner for the craft, and then you would just put it through each end. Then you could just tie it together here, and then you can continue doing the craft. I am going to use the rope that I cut already. So I'm going to put this through, and I'll tie it here. And if you need any help, ask a grown-up nearby. Carefully use the plastic knife and smear the peanut butter on, just like this. You can put your hand inside. Take your time, have fun doing it. You might get a little messy. Okay. And if you'd like, you can either sprinkle the birdseed on just like this, or you could pour the birdseed in your plate. And then you could take your paper towel roll, you could hold this string out of the way, or rope, whatever it is that you use, and then dip it in and roll it. You could cover up all the peanut butter. And I'll move it close to you so you can see the finished product. And now that we're all done, you could look in your yard and find a tree to hang it on for the birds to come. I hope you had fun making this along with me. Bye everyone.